learners, welcome to today's maths lesson. I am so excited to see you because I love maths, yes, and I know that you love maths too because maths is so much fun. It's about counting. Maths is all about numbers. We multiply, we divide, we add, and we subtract. Add and subtract. Yes, oh yes. Today's lesson, we are counting in fours. Do you know how to count in fours? Do you? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to count in fours. Maybe you've counted in twos, in threes. Today we're counting in fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but before we start with our lesson, put your thinking cap on, please. Hi-yay! Shake off the bad energy. Ha, ha, ha. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. All right. Right. Maths needs you to concentrate. Make sure you have no distractions. Make sure you're focusing so that you can count. Grab a piece of paper, grab your pencil, and grab an eraser. So again, in today's lesson, we are using two of my favorite colored markers. We are using a green marker for the numbers that we are counting, and we're using a red marker for the numbers we are not counting. All right, come along to the board. We are counting in fours. And when we count in fours, we skip 3 numbers in between. So if we count in fours, we skip number 5, we skip number 6, we skip number 7, and we count number 8. So how many numbers have we skipped? 1, 2, 3. All right. And then from number 8, if we skip 3 numbers, we skip, after number 8 comes number 9. We skip number 9. We skip number 10. We skip number 11. 1, 2, 3. And we count number 12. Yes. And we count number 12. All right. So do you see the pattern? 4, 8, 12. But in today's lesson, we are going to start counting from number 172 all the way to 200. Let's see. Number 172. 172. Here we go. That's number 172. All right, let's count. Remember, we're using our red marker for all the numbers in between that we are not counting. After the number 172 comes the number 173, 174, 175. How many numbers is that? 1, 2, 3 red numbers. So the next number has to be a green number. So the next number is 176. Let's keep going. 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184. Let's keep going. 185, 186, 187, and 188. 189, 190, 191, and the next number is 192. 193, 194, 195, and then we have 196. Okay, do you think that the number 200 will be in red or green? Let's see. 197, 198, 199, and the number 200. 200. 200. 200. All right, let's have a look at the numbers we are counting. 172, 176, 180, 184, 188, 192, 196, and 200. Yes! So we've counted in fours, and your homework is to practice counting in fours. Grab a piece of paper and use different color crayons to help you keep track of the numbers that you are counting from the numbers you are not counting. All right, we're done with today's lesson. Give yourself a pat on the shoulder. Pat, 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 pat. All right, great job. It's time for me to clear the board, grab some water, have an apple, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.